I really like the fact that the course here is so story driven. I've always been really interested in storytelling, as well as drawing people from life to create characters. Animation is amazing as it allows you to do both. It was that idea of creating character and narrative that really caught my attention and made me want to study here. To be an animator, you need to be an observer, so you need to observe how people move and their body language, which is really fascinating to me. One of my favourite things about animation is trying to discover who the characters are. There are loads of different ways of exploring who they are and who you can make them be. You can record yourself pulling different facial expressions, you can research into different styles of acting. You need to have an interest in character and to understand expression and movement. A big thing about animation is the group work. I think that's quite key in preparing me for the industry. Most of fourth year involves working in a group to produce a film for a degree show. So for my main project, I'm leading a team. A lot of people do short films, but for our group, it's a hypothetical TV show for preschool children called Tom and Voy. We're creating a 40-second intro. As well as that, we're doing a short teaser that shows the beginning of an episode. With this project, we're trying to animate towards a specific target audience. Because it's aimed at kids, we have to make sure that everything that the characters do can be understood by the people of that age. It needs to be simple enough. We need to make sure there's enough time taken to show expressions on the face, the dialogue is clear, the actions are clear, and the colours are exciting. There's always something happening at Duncan of Jordanstone. You can be walking through the building and there'll be exhibitions and events hosted by different disciplines. It's really a place of inspiration and community. There's also the Cooper Gallery, and come degree show, the whole place turns into this massive exhibition space. The degree show is one of the really good things about DJCAD. Dundee is fun. It's a small place, but one of the things I've enjoyed so much is the fresh air. The Tay is a great place to go for a walk. It's a relaxing place to be.